Yeah, welcome to the father and son Balot Challenge. With me is my son Jaime.
Kumusta?
And is this your first time to?
First time.
Yeah, first time to eat balot. Let's see kung ano ang reaction ni Jaime. Okay, tig-isa kaming balot. Ako naman matagal lang kumakain ng balot. So, what do you expect from?
Buong buhay ako nakatira sa Pilipinas. Never pa ako nakakain ng balot.
There's always a
So,
first time.
Ito ang rite of passage. Kailangan lahat ng...
To be a Filipino.
Oo, tama.
You know how to open it?
No. Paano?
You find the pointed one. Just the pointed
This?
one.
Oh, they're both.
Yeah, this one. Yeah.
Okay.
Pointed one here, yeah.
Mm.
Then you make pokpok. Wait, not yet. Then put either the vinegar or the salt. Okay. Okay. There's the yellow part. Anda. Nora! Niloko tayo dun ah. Maliit lang daw yung sisiyo eh. Ang liit nung dilaw. Oh, open it.
I'm trying.
Put it here. Open it.
You're taking all the space eh.
Good.
Taba eh.
What do you call the yellow part?
Yolk.
Yolk. Swerte niya, may sabaw yung balot na. Ako wala. How's it? The first taste of the sabaw of the balot.
I think I ate some eggshells.
Oh. You're supposed to eat it cool.
Oh, you removed the head.
No. Because I ate already
You
since
didn't
you
eat it?
before. I already ate before.
You didn't even
It's
eat
your
it or
first
show your
time.
egg.
Okay. Or
There's
suka.
hair! I'm gonna...
That's not hair. That's a spotty.
Where is it?
Don't look at it. You're not supposed to look at the balot. You're supposed to close your
I
eyes.
have to remove it.
That is why there's balot outside the street, so it's dark. You're not supposed to look at it. Don't look at it. Remember, you eat it once.
One whole thing?
Yeah, one whole thing. Jaime with his first...
Wait, diba
what?
dapat may tanggalin na ano? Like
No,
yung matigas?
no.
Diba yung matigas tinatanggal?
Iluluwa mo na lang mamaya.
No,
Okay.
tinatanggal yun.
Hindi nga makita.
Ito diba? Ito
okay.
yan.
Don't look at it.
Ito?
Okay. Yeah,
Ito,
that's
ito.
the bato.
Okay, diba?
Okay, ready?
Yun lang.
Put the... Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
My
Jaime's
eggshells.
first balot experience. Go!
Good.
Hmm? Oh, how is it? Hey, look, we can see you.
Ay, bitis ka.
You're supposed to eat it like that as one whole. Especially if it's your first time. Yeah. I think he likes it. One more balot?
Tissue.
Tissue. At least, you're now a full-fledged Filipino.
Mm.
Since you already eaten the balot.
Mm.
Reaction.
Hindi pa nga tapos.
Hindi pa ba tapos?
Pwede ba?
Okay. Sayang, medyo tuyot lang yung balot natin. Hindi talaga siya yung magandang klase. Pero it will do.
Mm.
Tagal mo namang umuya. Okay, so we're waiting for your first experience. How was it? Like?
Ako kasi, hindi ako masyadong mahilig sa itlog.
So lasang itlog lang siya.
Mm.
What about the mga sisiw-sisiw?
Wala namang lasa.
Walang lasa.
Walang
Pero
lasa.
naramdaman mo
The
yung
scam.
mga buto niya.
Scam
tsaka
ata eh.
wings.
Hindi, wala. Wala
Oh,
wala
nothing.
naramdaman. Wala,
So,
wala atang sisuan eh.
Meron.
Wala.
Kita mo kanina may balahibo eh. See? Will you try it and will you recommend it? But,
I mean, pwede naman. Pwede. Kung
Pwede, okay.
gusto nyong kainin.
at least pag may party, pag may mga balot doon, at least pwede ka nang kumain ng balot.
Anong klaseng party may balut?
Pag nandun ka sa Pateros, Maraming balot dati doon eh.
Party.
Yeah,
May balot.
yeah. Dinner party. May mga balot. Delicacies. Kasi nung araw, mga kaibigan, sa Pateros, may kamag-anak kami doon at lagi may balot.
Medyo pangit yung nakuha namin balot.
Kaya, hindi siya ganun ka-fresh. Si Nora kasi, tinuro pa ako, papunta na ako sa magandang klase. Pina-atras pa ako. Akala ko naman maganda. Anyway, at least you experience balot, the whole thing. So, thank you very much. Thank your viewers.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Bye.